Hi there. In this video we are going to see if this organizer and storage set from Lidl, PARKSIDE, is any good for a work area or is bad quality. Hopefully it's good, but remains to be seen. So let's open it up and get it onto the wall. It's a bit broken because at the time I managed to get this, I think it was the last one left in the store, so yeah, knowing my connationals, they went to town on it. Hopefully I don't have missing parts, but we'll see. Will you break? Scotch is really strong when you don't need it to be strong. Let's see how we are able to actually set this. Ooh, okay, I don't think anything is missing, and I didn't expect at all to have this many boxes in it and some other stuff. Okay, I think those are some. Oh, honestly I'm a bit puzzled. It's more than I expected it to be. These are actually dividers for these things. So if you don't have enough one type of screws to fill one of these, you can divide it, and dividers for the other ones and for the even bigger ones. But with the enough, I think the dividers could have all been the same color because they are the same size, but they made the effort to have 3 colors of dividers, so I need to appreciate that, honestly. The plastic is not brittle, fairly soft, and in theory all that's holding it onto the wall is this flap right here, so don't intend to put really heavy stuff in it. It probably will not end up really well. Anyway, there's that. Ooh. Okay, hi there. Bit set. I think this is for drill bits and this for standard screwing bits. That's interesting, honestly. Once again, a bit more than I expected it. Various hammers, presumably. Spanners. Okay. Lidl, you have outdone yourself. And Jesus Christ, I hope I don't need to install this many fixing elements into the wall. Although I think they want us to install all of them, because this, I thought it's aluminium, but or metal, actually not aluminium, but it's plastic. So yes, they fully want us to populate all of these holes. My father will have a fun time tomorrow fixing this onto the walls, because I'm working from home tomorrow and I cannot really help him. So we will set the position, and when I continue the video tomorrow, in theory this is on the wall. Both of them, that is. So, okay, this is going to be fun. All sorts of elements. This is cool, but they are all plastic, so we'll see how good they hold, but hold this to the wall, that's gonna be fun. So back to this organizer. They are good, so I really like them. You can see them in here in my unfinished workspace. They are loaded quite to the max, and they are doing the job properly. That's separate, the charges obviously separate. This will have a separate video, and I don't recommend you get from PARKSIDE, it's really bad. But the organizer stuff, it's awesome. And just look at this, I don't know which one of them to show you. They are loaded with quite heavy stuff and they are quite full. Absolutely no issue whatsoever, they are holding everything in. So yep, I like them. I didn't use the dividers, I don't care about them. I did use these pins. They are not the stiffest of the all, but something like this they can hold. I didn't put any drill bits in this yet. Maybe I will put in the future. This working absolutely perfectly, even those working perfectly. I'm going to show you something else that I'm not using this because it's annoying that it's warped. Yes, if you put something heavy in it, probably it will become unwarped. But yeah, not using it, I don't need it. But everything else that you see in here, apart from that, that's separate. It's not from this set. And the tools and the screws and what you see in the boxes are not from the set, obviously. Overall, the rest of it, I like it. And yeah, as you can see, one of them is on wood, one of them is on a wall. Absolutely no issues whatsoever, and I do recommend them. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.